Boy, y'all can see what a mess I got here. It's like a plumber's always got a leak, an electrician has loose wires, burned out light bulbs, and me, this is a place where I was growing some plants. I got some golden goddess bamboo here, but it really badly needs to be transplanted, cut, and split. I've just been so swamped. So I'm gonna try to get it done, at least get the cleanup part done. I mean, this is on heavy duty fabric, and the weeds just with rain and seed blow. Let's go ahead and get this puppy started, shall we? At least get some of it cleaned up. You guys can have some fun. Get a nice cold cup of tea while I'm out here. I got some good sweat for you. You know, what makes it so hard is when you do this stuff all day in and day out. Whew. And then the heat. I wish I were a spring chicken, but I'm not a spring chicken. Guess we'll go ahead and move these few out. Whew, man, what a job, what a job. Yeah, the problem is when that stuff, and this isn't very long. This isn't very old. I done this not too long ago. Had all this good and clean. It wasn't this bad. We'll get a few out of our way. I'm gonna weed eat this down really good. Come back and spray it. Spray it all really good. My goodness. This is an official cleanup. Yeah, now a lot of this bamboo, what I'm gonna have to do is I gotta take it, de-weed it, and split it, put it in new pots, because I can get about 4 plants out of this. The problem is it's neglected. I bought all these though in 3-gallon pots. They weren't very big at all. Here's a 3-gallon pot, but they weren't even this big. This actually came from one stem. This plant here. These are really nice. What do y'all think of that? Huh? Nice, huh? Yep, it sure is. One weeder dies, another one runs out of string. That's a typical day in the lawn business. Even though this ain't for a customer, but it happens quite a bit. Note to self, don't ever let it get this out of hand again, which I probably will, but I should. Come back second part, I get this part cleaned up. That's enough for one video, isn't it? Heck, it's enough for me. We'll get all this cleaned up, my wife's little garden area that it gets so hot, and then we'll get all these puppies cut or splintered. I'm a little tired, people. We'll get all those things cut, repotted. I mean, each bucket has 4 more plants in it, so I need some more of this fabric. All right, guys, see y'all in the next one.